Meet Fred. Fred likes to drop things. For this reason, Fred is the perfect candidate for our official Pictorem drop test. Every day, hundreds of parcels are carefully packaged by our expert handlers and placed in the somewhat questionable care of the delivery companies. Once our packages leave our warehouse, we have little control over their well-being. Some packages travel to remote areas of the world such as Idaho and Saskatchewan. Our packages are built to travel. Pictorem guarantees your item will arrive in pristine condition.